how to log out of all devices on Paramount Plus. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to log out from all your devices in your Paramount Plus account. So the easiest way and the simplest way to log out from all your devices in your Paramount Plus account, simply just reset your password and log out from all your devices. So if you want to log out from all your devices using Paramount Plus from the same account, so simply you just have to reset your password. In that way you will be logged out from all the devices that are currently be logged in from the same account that you are using. And in order to reset your password, you just have to click on the sign in option from your account, and after that just simply click on forget your password. For example, if you are here in this page, you just simply have to click on sign in, and instead of entering your email address and password, you just simply have to enter your email address and simply click on forgot password. And once you click on forget password, you need to create a new password, and once you set up a new password, your another account logged in with your same account details will be log out automatically, and then that's how you will be able to log out from all your devices in your Paramount Plus account. So this is basically how you will be able to log out from all your devices in your Paramount Plus account. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.